to the pre-market report of 13/6/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 16,233. Top CPR is in 16,249 and bottom CPR is in 16,217. Today we don't need to talk about R1, R2, R3 because Nifty future and SGX Nifty already showing more than 300 points gap down. So there is no point to talk about R1, R2, R3. S1 placed in 16,141 and S2 placed in 16,081 and S3 placed in 15,989. Right now Nifty future and SGX Nifty showing market going to open below S3 somewhere around 15,880. Today the center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 34,528. Top CPR is in 34,550 and bottom CPR is in 34,506. Here also we don't need to talk about R1, R2, R3. S1 placed in 34,303 and S2 placed in 34,122 and S3 placed in 33,897. Let us check the global market first. On last Friday, all the US market closes firmly in red, especially Nasdaq was down by 3.52%. It indicates heavy selling pressure in our IT stock and our market going to be trend towards down direction. On last Friday, all the European market also closes firmly in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction. Right now, most of the Asian market is trading in red except to Chinese market. All the market is in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction. Right now, all the US and European future trading firmly in red. It gives more and more negativity to our market because last Friday all the US market was down by nearly 3%, but today morning most of the European and US market was down by further 1.5%. It gives more and more negativity to our market and it indicates overall the global market enter into the bear territory. Right now Nifty future and SGX Nifty trading around 15,889. Our previous day close was 16,201. It indicates more than 300 points gap down. SGX Nifty also trading around 15,848. It is also indicating market going to be open in 300 points, more than 300 points gap down. Last Friday, FIS, the foreign institutional investor, sold for 3,973 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 2,831 crores. The overall institutional activity in sell side, it gives light negative to our market. As of now, the foreign institutional investor has 20% long position in index future as well as 79% short position in index future. DAI, domestic institutional investor, has 22% long in index future as well as 77% short in index future. FIs and DAIs both believe market going to be trend towards down direction. That's why they have that much of short positions. FIS has more than 79% short position. DAI has more than 77% short position. This is options and data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now 16,500 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,21,249 contract in open condition as well as 16,300 call option has 98,062 contract in open condition. We don't need to talk about open interest at put side because right now Nifty future and SGX Nifty showing market going to open somewhere around 15,850. But we need to know one thing, option writers believe market won't break 16,000 on last Friday. That's why they write more than 74,853 contract in 16,000 put option. So the 16,000 put option going to be act as a good support on last Friday, but right now the support has been broken. Whenever the support is broken, it become a resistance. So 16,000 going to be act as a huge resistance for upcoming week. We can confirm that by the evening because option writers write more number of 16,000 call option, 16,000 call option. When we see 16,000 call option was written hugely, then it going to be act as a good resistance for upcoming week. The overall view is on last Friday, US market was closes in negative, European market was also closes in negative. Right now all the Asian market is trading in negative. US futures and European future is also trading in negative. Nifty future and SCS Nifty indicating market going to open more than 300 points gap down. FA is in sell side and DA is in buy side. Today there is no option writer's view. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green, previous day high in dotted green, and previous day low in dotted red. After that S1, S2, S3 in red. Today I did not mark center pivot and top CPR, bottom CPR, R1, R2, R3 because right now Nifty future showing that it going to open well below to S3. There is no point in marking such position. As a retail day trader, I won't take any position if market opens below to S3. Right now Nifty future and SCS Nifty showing market going to open well below to S3, somewhere around 15,888. So I don't take any position initially. I just wait market retouch S3 or S2. Whenever market retouch on S3 and S2 face resistance and form a bearish candle, I am going to enter at this candle close. That means I am going to buy nearby put option and keep the stop loss just above the candle. Book the profit at day low. This is our trading plan. Don't take any position initially. Just wait market to retouch S3 or S2 or 8 moving average. Wherever market face resistance and form a bearish pin bar, you can bearish candle, you can enter at this candle close, keep the stop loss just above the candle, book a profit at day low or wait market to go further down. Don't take any position initially. This is our final conclusion.